Hello, engineers. In today's video, we're going to learn an incredibly useful trick, how to charge batteries from multiple brands using just one Bosch charger. I have a Bosch charger here, along with batteries from Bosch, DeWalt, Makita, and Milwaukee. Naturally, the Bosch battery fits the Bosch charger perfectly. But what about the others? The DeWalt battery won't fit. The Makita 3AH battery won't slot in either. And the Milwaukee Red Lithium 5AH battery, one of the most expensive on the market, also won't connect. So how do we charge all of these with a single charger? That's exactly what we'll cover. Here's the trick. I took a dead Bosch battery and removed its internal charging circuit. In its place, I soldered two wires. A red wire for positive and a blue wire for negative. This creates a universal adapter that plugs into the Bosch charger and connects directly to any battery's terminals. Let's test it. I connected the adapter to a Bosch 18V battery. Important, always match polarity. Red wire to positive, blue or black wire to negative. And placed it in the charger. It's charging perfectly. The green blinking indicator confirms proper charging. The charger's maximum output is 6 amps. Using an ammeter, we can see the battery is drawing approximately 5.45 amps. After 20 minutes, the amperage begins to drop, a clear sign the battery is reaching full charge. At 31 minutes, the current dropped to 0.5 amps, indicating the battery is almost fully charged, with no overheating whatsoever. Next, the DeWalt battery. Same procedure. It immediately draws close to 6 amps. Starting at 1 bar of charge, it reached 2 bars in just 10 minutes, and was fully charged in approximately 35 minutes. The Milwaukee Red Lithium battery also charges flawlessly using this method. The green blinking indicator confirms proper charging. The Makita 18V3AH battery, already at 3 bars, needed just a top-up. And the charger handled it without issue. Finally, I tested a 12-volt lead-acid battery using the same setup with clip connectors. It charged successfully as well. Any battery rated 12 volts or above can be charged with this Bosch charger using this technique. To summarize, with one simple modification to a dead Bosch battery shell, you can charge batteries from virtually any brand: Bosch, DeWalt, Makita, Milwaukee, and even lead-acid, all with a single charger. So, with this simple modification, you can use a single Bosch charger to safely charge multiple 18-volt and 12-volt batteries from different brands, whether lithium-ion or lead-acid. If you found this hack useful, make sure to like the video, share it with your fellow engineers, and subscribe to the channel for more practical and electrical and battery-related tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next project.